What's going on, guys? It's Reese Bowers here with Built from the Bottom. Today we are going to be removing the baffles on a 2007 to 2014 Harley Davidson 883. Material-wise, you're going to need a 1 1/4 drill bit. You could probably use the other one, but this works better. Put it on your, and also you're going to need an extension for it to get to this lower pipe and not get it at a bad angle. So this is the piece that you're going to want to pull off of the bike. It's going to sit back here inside of it, and we're going to show you how to get this off. So there's two ways you can do this. You can either go get a long pair of needle nose pliers and pull that out, or you can do it this way.